Good evening. Well, the new weekend is nearly upon us and things are looking pretty quiet weather-wise. A lot of dry weather, the best of the warm sunny conditions likely to be inland, always a little breezier and consequently a little bit cooler down the coast. But through tonight, we've got quite a bit of cloud on the scene out there. It's moved in from the east, spread its way westwards, and some of it's low enough to give some mist and murk over the highest ground. But it will also keep the temperatures up, so potentially quite a sticky night for sleeping. Lows for many of us hovering in the mid-teens. Tomorrow morning then a bit of a grey start initially, murky over the highest ground for some, but as the day wears on the sunshine will really get to work on that cloud, melting much of it away and leaving most of us with dry and pretty fine conditions into the afternoon. Inland in the best of the sunshine, feeling pleasantly warm, nowhere near as hot as it was earlier in the week, highs around 23, perhaps 24 Celsius, always a little fresher on that east coast with some onshore breezes here. Sunday set to be another quiet day, probably the sunnier day of the weekend for most, but make the most of it. Beyond that, a little more cloud coming our way into the new week. Nevertheless, where the sunshine does appear, still pleasantly warm. Hello there, I hope you've had a lovely day so far. Things have been pretty promising out there weather-wise, some warm sunny spells coming through. And as we head through this weekend, more of the same. Plenty of warm sunshine, especially so inland, albeit with the coast a little breezier and consequently a little bit cooler. Now, as we head through this evening and tonight, we will see quite a bit of cloud encroaching from the east. And as the night wears on, that will spread westwards across all parts. But that in turn will keep the temperatures up, so quite a mild night, dare I say a little sticky for sleeping, probably hovering at around 16 or 17 Celsius. And worth noting as well, that cloud will be quite low, so perhaps some hill fog over the highest ground. A bit of a grey and at times murky start initially tomorrow then, but as the day wears on, the sunshine will get to work, melting much of that cloud away. And as we head into the afternoon, things are looking pretty promising. Again, staying dry, plenty of nice bright or sunny spells coming through. In that sunshine inland, a warm feel once again, up to around 23, 24 Celsius, not quite as hot as it has been, but always a little fresher along the coast with some onshore breezes here. Now, overnight into Sunday, it's high pressure that remains very much in charge, centred up across the north of Scotland, but continuing to exert its influence southwards, maintaining that settled theme and keeping us with those light winds too. You can see on Sunday, actually, probably a good deal of sunshine from the word go. Make the most of that though. It looks as though as we head through the new week, we will see more in the way of cloud encroaching once again. A little bit of drizzle possible where the cloud is thick enough, but the emphasis on dry conditions and where the sunshine does appear, still feeling pleasantly warm. Bye-bye.